Hello art lovers, this is Sri from Artist Casual by Sri. In this video, I'm just going to share how to make a DIY your own beautiful cute little bookmarks. So for making bookmarks, you need just a A4 size sheet. So this sheet is like, it can be with ivory sheet or watercolor papers, anything. And next I'm just going to go with a Delhi marker set, acrylic markers. So if you have this brand, it's fine to go with, or if not, I'll just attach the link of acrylic markers and all the art materials I'm using here in the description box below, so you could just please check that. And next is with the fine liners. So here again, it's just with the Demas Delhi brand fine liners. So this is waterproof and we have various sizes here. You can see it just goes with 0.1 mm to till 0.5 mm, and it also has with a brush tip fine liner. So it's just with total 10 numbers. I'll share the material link in the description box below. Also, we need a paper cutter, ruler, any HB pencil and an eraser to avoid mistakes. Here I have my paper ready, just outlined with 5 divisions. So we're going to make with 5 bookmarks. So you can see this is like with a length, it's 2 inches width and with a height of 6 inches. So I have just partitioned with 2 cross 6 inches for 5 bookmarks. So even you can do the same, and with the paper cutter I'm just going to make all the partitions and take out the separate bookmarks. This is the very first step. Here is my all 5 papers that are ready, and each paper is 2 cross 6 inches. So that's perfect for bookmark, and we can just get started making with the very first easiest bookmark. I have my acrylic set in the side, so you can just go with whatever acrylic markers you have, or if you just have only with like any paints, acrylic paints or sketches, even you can use those too. So firstly, to make the very first bookmark, I'm just going to choose my yellow. So with this, actually this marker goes with 2 ends, that is with one is bullet tip and the other side is with the brush tip. So you can see this is the brush tip and it's so good, covers a lot of space, and this is the bullet tip, and you can just go with the detailings using this side. So with a brush tip, I'm just going to randomly go with a background covering this much space and filling everything inside that border using the yellow. And the next color is going to be with sky blue. So I'm just going to pick my blue, and again with the brush tip. So just we need to hold with the other side. Can go in any direction and cover it. So with this inside that I'm just going to fill, can easily fill with blue color. After these 2 colors, I'm just going to take rose. You can just go with any color combo that should make the bookmark beautiful. So colors are very much important to go around and fill in, because the unmatching colors may mute the beauty of bookmark. And the final color is going to be with the lightest of green. So this green again with a brush side, it's going to cover such a big area. The background work of the bookmark is done, and next with this fine liners, I'm just going to take 0.5 mm because that's like with good tip, and with those color with that tip, so you can see the thickness here. So with this tip, I'm just going to make with the pattern. So you can just go with any simple drawing you know. I'm just going to randomly start here. So this is just a big curve, and you don't need any experience in making this. We can just make it simply, and we're going to make with all the leaf structures. So branching out on the sides, I'm going to make with the leaves. Even on the sides here, I'm just going to add with some kind of buds. So here our leaf pattern is over, and this is done with 0.5 mm nib. And next, to make the patterns inner, so there I'm just going to use my 0.30 mm there inside to make the continuous line patterns inside the leaf. So this is my 0.30. Here I have added up with all the leaf patterns, and our very first bookmark is cutely done. And next we can just move on to the second design. Secondly, with just two colors, I'm just going to make a shade or background shade. So first, with the lighter version, I'm just going to using the brush tip, fill all over the bookmark like this, painting the background completely with this color. Here the background color is over, and next over this I'm just going to take the regular yellow, or you can just go with some browns if needed. So I'll just try whether the color matches. So this is just experimenting. Yeah, this is super good and love this. And you can simply fill in with the yellow here. Randomly going with a pattern, filling inside. The background works are over, and next to this I'm just going to add like a simple expression of like a rocket, a paper rocket just flying above with marking its way. So even all these are going to be completed with 0.45 mm fine liner. So with this I'm just going to directly draw the paper rocket. And if you're not confident in making this, or if you feel little fear on making directly with a fine liner, you can just try out any rough paper, or you can just go with a pencil outline in the top here, and then over that you can just go with a fine liner work. So firstly we can just go making with a bigger A, and we need to split with two lines. Also, those are not straight, we need to make it slanting, so we will get four slanting lines, and we're just going to connect two lines on the sides, and we're going to make a V. Next is going to be with a right angle shape. That's it, our work is done. And we are going to make with the marking of a pattern, so we can just go with dotted lines slowly. This is a very simple thing. We are completed with our second bookmark. So here our third bookmark is going to be again beautiful with little flower theme. So here I have just picked up with the flower theme, and to the background I'm just going to add the pastel shade of the green. So you can just go with any lightest version of green that suits good. And to this I'm just going to randomly make a line. And the second one is going to be on here, leaving a little gap. So after making this line, we need to make a little touch of work, like we need to increase the breadth and complete the base wherever it's not looking fair. On the sides here, I'm just going to make up with little curves using pink. Any pink shade is fine. To make rose flowers, I have just my rose and the lightest pink and the red color in my hand. So with the light pink in the brush tip, using the brush tip, we need to just make on with flower pattern, just a random swatch. But the curves, the ends should not be flat. We need to make it look curvy. Same way, we need to make with 3 different flowers. So this markers actually in the first layer it looks little transparent if it depends on the color pigment, and so if you go with layering we can just make it little opaque. Now with the red I'm just going to add small curves like a C shape. I'm going to build on increasing with the length. So these are petals. Same way, just making for all the 3 flowers. With the dark green and brush tip side, I'm just going to make the leaves. We are done with our third bookmark and 2 more left. For the fourth one, I have another idea of making simple patterns. So to make that, I have just my face color marker and the brown marker together. So as with the face marker, I'm just going to make a background completely using this. So we need to fill it on the whole as a background. So with this background, I'm just going to split up making with lines. First with horizontal lines. So for this you can just go measuring with a scale, the support of the scale, or you can directly use with the brush marker. Same way I'm just going to split in the middle. So after making this splits, I'm just going to randomly fill in, like it's with a sequence. We need to fill firstly with this grid. And second here leaving the box in the middle. Now leaving these 2 boxes, I'm going to fill the middle one. Same way, alternative sequence is going to be followed on. Now after completing this, I'm just going to add with the same brown in the middle using the hearts. Here we are done and completed with the hearts. Our 4th bookmark is over, and next we can just grab with our 5th one, here the last one. To make this I'm going to grab with the green again, and with the bullet side I'm just going to make leaves. Now from this I'm just going to add with dashed lines. And another dashed lines on the top here. Now we are going to make with the honeybee. So we need 3 colors, that's yellow, black and sky blue. With the black and with the bullet side, I'm just going to make with the back cushion. Same way on here. Next with the yellow. Again with the black. And finally with the yellow. With sky blue colors, I'm just going to add with like wings. In the middle, I'm just going to add the font to be continued. Here our fifth also is completed, and we can just go with all our 5 pieces. So these are our all the 5 bookmarks, and hope you love this. And if you're done with all these works, you please tag me in the Instagram page so that I could go through your works and support each other. So I have just dropped my links, Instagram page link in the description box below. Just please refer that and tag me if done. And hope you love this video, the tutorial. And if you want more on with the DIYs and watercolor paintings, color pencils, every lessons, so please just give a comment below so that I could make more videos on the comments I receive. And thank you for supporting. Just subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.